The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is a classic American muscle car reborn, blending nostalgic styling with modern performance and technology. Its bold design elements make it a head-turner on the road. The Bel Air's headlights are sleek and angular, with a unique LED pattern that pays homage to the classic Bel Airs of the past. The doors and side panels are sculpted for aerodynamics and aesthetics, with a focus on power and performance. The chrome accents add a touch of nostalgia, giving the Bel Air a retro feel. The taillights are stylish and functional, with a distinctive LED pattern that sets the Bel Air apart. The subtle spoiler adds a touch of sportiness, making it a standout on the road. Inside, you'll find premium materials, advanced infotainment, and a range of innovative features like automatic climate control, a touchscreen display, and a performance data recorder. The Bel Air also features advanced safety features like ABS, EBD, and multiple airbags, as well as advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane assist. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air starts at 60 Indian rupees lakh, a competitive price for a classic American muscle car packed with so many features. With a range of engine options, including a 6.2L V8 petrol and 3.6L twin-turbo V6, you can choose the perfect combination for your needs. The Bel Air's engine delivers exceptional performance, with 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.5 seconds. It's the perfect combination of power and efficiency. One of the unique selling points of the Bel Air is its advanced performance features like launch control and a sport-tuned suspension. The Bel Air also features a range of durable materials, making it a reliable choice for both on-road and off-road driving. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to comment below and let us know what you think of this classic American muscle car. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.